Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and this is another episode of the restaurant remake. Today I will show you how to make this apple burrata cheese salad with lemon vinaigrette. And let's take a look at the ingredients first. Here's our ingredients. We have 8 ounces of the spinach and spring mix salad. We have a burrata cheese. We have 2 ounces of the pecan. We have a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. We have 1 full lemon as well as a Fuji apple. So let me show you how to make this easy dish here for the salad. First of all, we are going to cut our apple here first. Okay, so let's cut our apple first. All right, I am gonna keep the skin here with my apple. I'm just gonna cut out the core. Okay, so I'm gonna slice my apple first. All right, so I'm gonna chop it until it's like sliced it into a strip like this. All right, I'm gonna toss it right into my salad. Okay, so here's all our apple that we toss into the salad. So let's give it a good mix here. Let's toss it over. Okay, so it's a very easy, simple salad. All right. The apple make it really fresh and light. The sweetness is gonna give it a very good combination with the salad. All right, so now we're gonna do our vinaigrette. So with the vinaigrette, we are going to have a 1/4 cup of extra virgin of olive oil. Okay, so with some fresh lemon here, I'm gonna get half of a lemon and I'm gonna squeeze that into my olive oil. All right, we're gonna season it with some black pepper. Now you can transfer all the black pepper, actually season black pepper on the salad directly as well. I just like to mix it in with the vinaigrette here. Okay, we're gonna use a spoon to actually just mix this a little bit. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit more lemon. So I usually do it this way, so then I don't wanna, if it's too much lemon, it's too sour, and I try to avoid that. So I would like to mix it as I go along and then try it as well. So I'm using a new spoon here to give it a mix. So I think this time it should be good. There we go. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna pour this over to the salad and I'm gonna give it a good toss. Okay, so I'm gonna season it with some more black pepper here. Toss it. All right, so, and then with my toasted pecans, I'm gonna transfer it over here. Crush it a little bit. All right. All right, so now I'm gonna toss this over. All right, give it a good mix. And our salad is almost complete. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to plate this. Okay, so we're gonna transfer our salad to our serving plates. Finally, we are going to put our burrata cheese on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and drain the water first. All right, so with a paper towel, I'm just gonna go kind of dry off the burrata cheese from the water. All right, we're gonna put this right in the middle, right at the center. Okay, finally we plated our salad onto our serving plates and put the burrata on top. I'm just gonna season it with a little bit more black pepper here. So just give it a little nice pepper flakes on top of my burrata cheese. And finally, I'm gonna put the Himalaya salt on top of the burrata. Okay, so we're gonna sprinkle a little bit on the salad itself. All right, so just like a pinch or two, not too much. And here's my apple burrata cheese salad with the lemon vinaigrette. I did top it off with some toasted pecans. All right, so the most impressive things is actually this very last part. So I'm gonna show you how to present it to your friends because the Burrata cheese will open up and just literally melt. All right, so to serve it, you are going to use a knife to make an incision here. And we're gonna cut this Burrata. And finally, you can just spread it out, the cheese. And this is the very, very soft cheese here. So it's very creamy. And then finally, you can give it a last toss and you can serve it to your friends and family. So I hope you enjoy watching this video on the apple Burrata cheese salad. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button as well as hit the bell notification for our latest video and updates. Also hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.